Welcome to the GEP Roundup, a monthly lowdown from the latest and greatest from GEP and the world of supply chain. Every month, we bring you highlights of the top stories, insights, and events from the supply chain space, so you can stay up to date on everything you need to know. From the latest innovations and technologies to the biggest challenges and opportunities facing the industry, we've got it covered.
Hello and welcome to the GEP Roundup, your monthly lowdown on everything new, next, and notable in the world of procurement, supply chain, and GEP. I'm your host, Alex. Everything we mentioned today is linked below in the description. So let's jump right in. We start this month with a warning sign from the manufacturing floor. North American manufacturers pulled back in October, marking the steepest drop in material purchases since May. According to GEP's Global Supply Chain Volatility Index, global supply chains remained underutilized, increasing spare capacity and easing price pressures, even beyond tariffs. GEP's Michael Duval points to a continued manufacturing slowdown heading into winter. The question now, what does this mean for 2026 planning? Big recognition this month for GEP. We've been named a leader and star performer in Everest Group's 2025 Peak Matrix for source-to-contract services, praised for accelerating sourcing and category management with intelligent automation, improving decision-making with real-time analytics and market intelligence, strengthening resilience and sustainability through AI-enabled insights, and driving measurable value and speed across direct and indirect spend. Also, GEP earned a spot in the 2025 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Contract Lifecycle Management, reflecting our differentiated approach to connected, intelligent contracting. Congratulations to the teams behind this. Here's what else you should have on your radar. China's rare earth export controls are rattling energy and utility supply chains. A new GEP bulletin offers guidance for U.S. utilities on securing supply in a constrained market. AI for spend analytics. You've got the data, but are you using it? A new GEP webcast explores how AI-powered forecasting and benchmarking can turn insights into action. Belgium mandates e-invoicing for B2B transactions via PEPL starting January 2026. If you have operations in the EU, you'll want to stay ahead of these compliance shifts. Tech overload, procurement leaders are feeling it. A new GEP blog makes the case for convergence, building intelligent ecosystems where AI, automation, and orchestration work together. Deploying AI in procurement? Start here. GEP outlines 3 essential steps. Clean your data, connect your systems, and train your teams. Simple advice, big impact. Success story: a major Mexican pharma company cut transport costs by 20% after partnering with GEP to build a smarter, data-driven transport operating model. That's strategy in action. That's a wrap for this episode of the GEP Roundup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on everything reshaping procurement and supply chain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.